This time we're using this lovely cotton pastel dark green fabric secured in an 8-inch hoop with light beige and vibrant orange floss. For a precise pattern, we need a perfect grid. I'm using 6mm graph paper. I've already cut a section of 8 by 25 squares and pinned it onto the fabric. Using my white heat erasable pen, I mark dots around all 4 sides of the graph paper. Then, using my ruler, I draw the precise vertical and horizontal grid lines. Let's prepare the thread. I'm separating my orange floss into 2 strands. We're going to start stitching the foundation of our design, the double cross stitch. This is an easy process. For the double cross stitch, we are creating a full 8-pointed star. To start, stitch a simple cross X, then stitch a second cross plus directly over the first one to intersect the X and complete the 8-pointed design. Skip the next grid square and stitch another double cross. We're creating evenly spaced cross stitches all the way across the grid. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the process of setting this beautiful foundation. Hand embroidery is more than just a craft. It's an art that contributes to a healthy life. Now for the creative part, I'm switching to the light beige floss and threading my needle with 4 strands for a bolder, more dimensional weave. For this weaving step, you absolutely need a tapestry needle with a blunt point. It will glide smoothly through the cross stitches without piercing or splitting the threads, which keeps your foundation neat. Bring your needle up from the back in the middle stitch. We'll make 4 simple petals by weaving the thread through the 4 corner cross stitches, skipping the ones in between. We're going to weave our first geometrical flower pattern using a group of 3 by 3 cross stitches. When you sit down to stitch, you engage in mindful relaxation. This focused, rhythmic process is excellent for reducing stress and anxiety, allowing you to relax and truly enjoy the moment. Get into the rhythm and let your passion flow. This creates a beautiful, simple geometrical flower. Once the first flower is finished, move to the next 9 cross stitches in the grid to weave the next 4 petal design. Complete this pattern from top to bottom, which should give you 5 flower patterns down the length of the grid. If you want to create a larger piece, just adjust your grid. Add more horizontal and vertical lines to continue this pattern and complete whatever square or rectangular shape you need for your project. Let's add the borders and details. Thread the orange floss again and we'll weave a square shape around the outer part of each flower group using 4 cross stitches. This frames our flowers perfectly. Apply this beautiful pattern as a border along the hem of a skirt, as an accent on a tote bag, or along the edge of a plain cushion cover to personalize your home decor. Finally, I'm adding a little detail using the light beige thread with a single strand. I'm stitching small straight stitches between the flower petals. Using a single strand here creates a very delicate, fine accent that doesn't overpower the main design. Once all the stitching is complete, simply iron your fabric gently to remove the grid lines drawn on the fabric. We've finished this beautiful pattern. You can apply this gorgeous art to any garment to decorate and personalize your clothes. Happy stitching!